Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 2nd February. And first of all, national news. Panel of vice chairpersons reconstituted for equal representation to women. Much awaited snowfall brought cheer turned Kashmir into winter wonderland. Gyanvapi Mosque Committee goes to High Court against order allowing puja in cellar. Visa fees for H-1B, other non-immigrant categories increased by US. Shimla saw season's first snowfall, 240 Himachal roads closed due to rain. Now, international news. Deutsche Bank to lay off 3,500 people after drop in 2023 profit. Walmart raised pay for managers in US, offering over 3 crore annually. Wing tips of two Japanese planes scratch each other at airport, no injuries reported. Satya Nadella, other tech bosses to tour India, code programmers for artificial intelligence. Now some sports news. Lewis Hamilton could switch to Ferrari for 2025 Formula 1 season, reports. Dark horses Tajikistan vote to gallop into Asian Cup semi-finals. India vs England second test. Ben Stokes made two changes in playing Xi for Vizag clash. Brett Lee, Yuvraj Singh set to grace World Championship of Legends for Grand T20 cricket extravaganza. Business related news. Budget for Home Ministry. Huge raise in funds for security. Border infra. Delhi Police got 11,177 crore in budget, 4.477 decrease from last fiscal. India's interim budget focuses on green economy, climate investments. Health Ministry given 90,658 crore in interim budget, sees nearly 137 high. Defense budget pegged at 6.21 lakh crore for 2024 to 25. Interim budget 2024. External Ministry got 22.154 crore. Jal Shakti Ministry allocated 98,418 crore in interim budget 2024. Adani flagship's profit jumped 1,307 as strong recovery continues. And that's all in news. Thank you.